Hi! Are you ready for a full immersion into the world of Kanban, efficiency and evolutionary improvements? Then let's dive in. Today we'll tell you what's waiting for you inside the Kanban Plus and show you a few tricks on how to use it. Welcome to the world inside the Kanban Plus. The users of KMM Plus will find a lot of similarities, but there are also some differences. Stay with us and we'll walk you through them. Let's start with navigation. On the left, you can easily switch between different products or tools we have on our platform. The highlighted one shows where you are currently. Let's continue with the Better with Kanban Plus. You can see that the top row shows you the path just like when you are moving around folders on your laptop. Inside each product, you will find tabs that will walk you through the different types of content. We start with the posters view. The left side bar will always offer you a detailed menu of the content on the page. Here you see the list of posters. You can choose a poster you want to explore from the bar or from the grid. After choosing the poster, you can navigate around it. You can focus on the part you want to read more about, either from the left sidebar or from the poster. Text in the middle will change depending on the section you are in. Now everything is on the same page for your convenience. Here is a useful tip. Personalize your setup. Slide the bar left or right to set the size of the elements of the page. When on the poster, you can scroll your mouse or use the plus and the minus buttons on the right to change the poster size. To come back to the default settings, click the button Reset on the right. The fourth button will highlight all the sections on this poster. The last button will bring you to the full screen view of the poster. Arrows at the bottom of the page will move you through the sections. Useful tip: personalize the view even more. Click on the pen to adjust the scale of the page, change the size of the font, and switch off the animation. With the help of the posters view, you can explore the content clustered by the topic. What if you want to read the whole book chapter by chapter? Go to the Book Chapters tab. Like in the posters view, the left side menu has the content of the book that helps you to move around chapters and read them in your preferred order. Don't forget that you can adjust the size of the blocks or font for your convenience. But Kanban Plus is more than just a book. We call it the universe of Kanban knowledge for a reason. So what if you want to make it more tangible? Check the Downloads tab. You will find their printable high-quality posters. What else can you download? We've got you covered with infographics, brochures, book chapters and plenty of other materials. If you like watching videos, we gathered some popular video materials for you on Kanban Plus too. In the Videos tab, you will find recordings from conferences, case studies, interviews, webinars and other useful Kanban video content all in one place. Let's move to the articles. This is the new thing we added recently. It will provide you with all the useful articles that are not a part of the book but are valuable for Kanban practitioners and experts. The Case Studies tab will help you learn from the experience of others. It is now divided into 3 blocks. Better with Kanban Case Studies that you can also find in the Better with Kanban book series, Kanban University Case Studies, the famous case studies that are studied in most Kanban University's courses, and Contributors Case Studies. These are the case studies from the leading experts of our Kanban community who became our contributors. Thank you for taking the Inside the Kanban Plus tour with us. Don't forget to contact us to share your feedback. We are here to provide you with the best user experience on Kanban Plus, and we are looking forward to hearing from you.